Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So let's add a gauge in our Excel sheet. So first select the values. And after that go to the Insert tab. Then here we have a pie chart option. Select this option and then select the donut chart. After selecting this chart, select the chart. Right-click chart, then you see the option called Format Data Series. Click on that and here in that option angle of the first slice. Add the value to 70. So that it will take the shape of the gauge. Select the slot option and go to this, then select fill and then select the no fill option so that the last value 3 will not be visible. Now select this title and the legend and delete them. Now as you can see here our gauge is ready. Now if I make any change in the value. For example, if I add 90s. As you can see, gauge dynamical change shape. You can also add the data label if you want. Select the chart and here the option is data label. Okay, so it is working fine as you can see here. Thank you. Thank you very much for watching.